Hey, what's up? Welcome back for another video, and if you're at the Hux World, and it is time to get back on the Monday grind, people. Are you ready? Now, before we get started with this review, we do want to announce a couple of winners of the digital art watch face, and we got 2 from the US, we got 3 from Canada. Now, congratulations to Jackie, she's one winner. We got Scott, he's the next. Those are for the US, and then for Canada, we got Trap Shooter, Ronnie, and we also got Steve Jordan. Ronnie, Miranda, I'm talking about you. All right. So with that being said, people, we don't want to hold you too much longer. Let's go ahead. Let's get started with this review. Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back for another video, and if you're at the Hux World, and yes, we got the retro series number 2. Listen, people, do you remember this one? Now, this one is nice. This one is called Rainy Day. Rainy Day, very nice, an animated watch face that I think you're gonna like. I know what you're thinking. It's gonna burn battery, but you gotta know when to play it. Now, you also want to know about the always on display. That one's gonna be a traditional analog watch face look. Now, when the watch face is on, I really like this look. It's very calming. You see the raindrops falling, hitting the ground. Very nice. But if you look down at the bottom, right here, you're gonna get your heart rate. You're gonna get your battery info over here, your step status info over there, your date at the top, and you got leaves that's going around the bezel of the watch. This is definitely an awesome look. Now, here's what you could do with it. Just go ahead and tap. You can change the theme a little bit. It changed again. Change it, and now we got a little rainbow at the top. Then we got 2 kids playing in the rain. And we're going to tap it one more time, and you get this analog theme look going around the bezel of the watch. It's nice. And that's going to be it, right? You got a little color with that one. What do you think? Do you remember this one? And for the people who just got started about a year or so ago, listen, do you remember? If not, go download this one. It's definitely still worth it. All right, you all, let's go ahead. Let's check out watch face number 2. Watch face number 2. Now, who remembered this one, right? Old school, really a double old school, because this one goes back as far as HTC when Android really started to take flight. The developer Bruno Prado brought this one in on the Gear S3 watch face and just knocked it right out of the park. This one is nice. It's called Forcast Flip V2. It's a 24-hour watch face. It's a Fahrenheit watch face at that. This one is nice. Now, in the always on mode, you're going to pretty much get the same look. It's going to be in a black and white thing. Now, if you look at the watch face when it's on, you got clouds up at the top. When it's sunny, it really looks nice. You got a moon phase to the left of that, your weather up top. Now, I like this digital time. Old school for real, looks beautiful. Tells you what kind of day it is. It's overcast, clouds, and you get your day, your month, and your date. You also get the battery percentage down at the bottom as well, which is very nice. Now, if I tap on it, I can bring up my music. So if I need to go to my music, I can get my music. And if I want to, let me tap on this again. I can go in and get my messages, and I can make a phone call as well. I thought that was super tight for a watch face. Bruno Prado really outdid himself, and I'm loving it. But hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know if you would download such watch face number 3. Number 3 is called Sport Wrist. Very nice looking exercising watch face for the runner in you. It was a nice looking watch face back then. You're not going to see anything like this now. And when the watch face is off and always on mode, they just dimmed it down just a little bit, just in case you really need to see your info at a glance. Wasn't a bad look at all. Now, once the watch face is on, at the top, you're going to get your steps. You're going to get your heart rate. You come down, you're going to get your date right here, your 24-hour time as well. And it is interactive, so you can tap on it, go into your applications, certain applications like settings. Also, you can get your heart rate information and your step status info as well. So I thought this was definitely a nice look. It offers quite a bit for a watch face, but at the end of the day, it's all about you. What did you think about this retro watch face? Have you seen anything else like this around today? I know, people, I know it looks like a disco ball, but I thought the developer brought something fresh, something unique, something different to the table. So I commended him when he came out with this watch face. I actually reviewed it. It's very nice. This one is called Qari Animation S3. Very nice look. Now, if you're going to see the ball drop, if you're going to a ball, if you're going to a wedding, this might be the watch face that you want to play for that day. Now, me personally, I think it looks a heck of a lot better in the AOD mode than it does when it's on, but I do like the uniqueness of this watch face, so I gave it a couple of thumbs up way back when. What do you think? Hit me in the comment section below. I would like to know your thoughts on this one. Last but not least, people, the last retro watch face of the video. This was nice. This one is called NBA Gear Watch. Now, who remembers this one? Now, if you don't remember it, will you download such a watch face, right? Because I think it's awesome. Now, it does give you a time at the top. Now, I opt out, of course, for my home team, which is the Chicago Bulls. It's going to give me the time down at the bottom when there's a game going on. And if I tap right here, and it's been updated since then, so it looks a little bit different now than it did then, which is a lot better. And you only get 2 game information that it's going to give you. You get an opportunity to choose whatever team you want to choose. Whatever team you choose, that's what's going to be on your front page right here of your watch face. I thought it was nice back then. I think it's nice now. Again, the question is, will you download such a watch face? All right, you all, that's going to be in of the Retro Series 2. Look out for Retro Series 3. Now, I am going to put the link in the description box down below. If you try to go find these, just putting the name in, I had a hard time finding them. So don't do it. Hit the link and you're all good. All right, you all, that's going to be it for this video. I hope your Monday grind is going well. And with that being said, hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then please, by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And I will see you all again at the next video. Take care.